Alright guys, so now we're going to be changing the license plate lights. You know, they're pretty dim right now, and we're going to turn them into LEDs, so they're going to go from this to this. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so in order for us to get access to the bulb, we just got to push into these tabs that are on the ends of these, this housing here. And once we do that, the whole, housing will just come right out, and then we'll be able to get to the bulb. Alright guys, so you can also use a flathead to get to these. Makes it a lot easier. Just push into that tab and just put more pressure to the other side. And as you can see, that housing will just come right out. And then now we just have to twist this off, and then boom. Now we got access to this bulb here. And now we're going to be changing them over to the Mars LED light. There we go. And then we just pop this back up. And bada bing, bada boom. And now we'll do the same for the other side. Now we got the LED lights in there. Now let's check them out. And just like that, now we got some better lighting, guys. LEDs look perfect. And now we're good. Hopefully this was helpful to you guys. Shout out to the Toyota crew. And if you guys got any questions, drop in the comments. Stay tuned for more Corolla content. May you take care of yourselves and be safe. Peace.